So I work in the Department of Molecular Genetics, and we design viral vectors that specifically target populations of cells in the brain. For this purpose, communication is key. We need to be able to share information, share data sets, share images in a platform and in a language that all of us can understand.
BioFile Finder is a data management tool, so you're taking files and we're loading that into like a fancy spreadsheet so that you can interact with it in multiple different ways, and using our multiple different query features to be able to sort through your data and get a better idea of what's in there.
The main useful feature to me is that it's user-friendly. I can create and curate data sets in 2 or 3 clicks of a button. The second very, very useful feature is the ability to structure the data in various ways. It allowed us to basically highlight the features in our data that we think are most important. Highlighting is creating separate folders, structuring the data hierarchically, and each one, once we open the folders, we can see all the image sets at once with the thumbnails that are associated with this specific group.
Because we're allowing you to be able to get your data in there at the lowest bar possible. So everyone has access to some sort of tool like Excel, like Google Sheets, for example. And that is a much lower barrier than hiring a software engineer to come in and create a specific website that's going to show your data in a cloud server, for example.
It also makes like data release, much more elegant. So before, like for each data set, we may have to develop a specific interface or web page. Now we just need one specific BioFile Finder link for this data set.
It's very customizable. It doesn't require exchanging of files, it just requires exchanging of links.
It's helping and facilitate your research process by improving your collaboration with your coworkers.
This tool is so easy to use and very easy to deploy. And even without any dedicated software engineer, just one PhD student or postdoc in the lab who has basic computational skills, that's why we love it.
Originally, this application was used to share datasets for cell sciences looking at various features of cells. However, it was really easy for us to repurpose it from looking at individual cells to looking at images of brain sections and genomic data and everything that can be visualized. From here, sky's the limit. It can be used for virtually any visualization or any sharing of any visual data.